Good morning, everyone. For the second quarter, week 3, we will be discussing about the relation and function. A relation is any set of ordered pairs, like spoon, fork, Catherine and Daniel, black, white, 5, 6, 35, 70, X, Y. So, ordered pair siya. Pares, ibig sabihin dapat dalawa. Okay? Domain is the set of all the first coordinates. So, sabi nga natin kanina, pair, pares, dalawa. Yung first coordinates or yung mga nasa unahan, siya po yung tinatawag natin, sila yung tinatawag nating domain. Yung una doon sa ating coordinate or doon sa ating ordered pairs, they are the domain. Like on this example, the domain are spoon, ayan, Catherine, block, 5, 35, and X. Range naman is the set of all the second coordinates. So, yung mga pangalawang coordinate, sila naman yung tinatawag nating range. Kaya dito sa given example natin ng relation, ang range natin ay fork, Daniel, white, 6, 70, and Y. So, yun yung domain and range ng relation. Meron din tayong tinatawag na function. A function is a relation in which, number 1, for each first coordinate, there is exactly one coordinate. And second, for every first element X, there corresponds a unique element Y. So when we say function, siya po ay isang uri din ng relation. Pero merong condition na dapat sundin at yun yung condition number 1 and condition number 2. Or sa mas simpleng salita, we can say that the given relation is a function kapag hindi po nauulit yung value ng X or value ng domain. Yung una doon sa ordered pair, hindi dapat maulit ang value niya. Doon siya nagiging function. Doon nagiging function yung isang relation. Take note, every function is a relation, but some relations are not functions. Always remember that, kasama yan doon sa inyong test. Okay, so patunayan natin to that every function is a relation but some relations are not functions. A function can be represented by, number 1 is a table. So, pwede nating makita ang function using a table. We can also use set of ordered pairs. Pwede din naman by mapping. We can do picture or graph. And by equation or rule. Isa-isahin natin. Number 1 is table. So here I have a table containing the number of hours and earnings ng isang tao. So kapag ka daw 4 hours siyang nagtrabaho, 172 pesos yung earnings niya. 5, 215, 6 hours, 258, 7 hours, 301, 8 hours is 344. Okay, so, as you will notice, ang domain natin or yung X value natin, itong 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, kasi siya yung una, sila yung unang value. And yung range natin or yung value ng Y natin, itong nasa baba. Ngayon, sabi natin, the given is a function, the relation is a function kapag hindi na ulit yung value ng X. So, on this case, it is a function dahil 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 siya. Wala namang naulit na number. Second, set of ordered pairs. So, pwede din nating ipakita yung relation, yung function natin by using a set of ordered pairs like this. Okay. Negative 2 and negative 4, negative 1 and negative 3, sila yung partners, 0 and negative 2, 1, negative 1. And as you will notice, ang mga value natin ng domain o yung mga x value natin ay ito yung mga nasa unahan. Negative 2, negative 1, 0, and 1. So, walang naulit na number na x value. Meaning, this given relation is a function. Next, by mapping. Ayan. So, meron tayo ditong country sa first natin. And sa second diagram natin is monetary or yung pera doon sa bansang yon. Sa Japan is yen, Saudi is real, Philippines peso, and sa US ay dollar. So, as you will notice, ang ating x value or ang domain natin ito, ang y value natin is ito. So, yung x value natin ay Japan, Saudi, Philippines, and US. Hindi na ulit. Meaning, this given is a relation. And class, always remember na kapag nakakita kayo ng mga arrow-arrow na ganyan, mapping yon. Okay? Next, by picture or graph. Ito naman, may given na graph, and then, how can we know if it is a given relation? You will just do a vertical line test. When we say vertical line test, magdodraw lang kayo ng vertical line, patayong linya. And kapag yung vertical line nyo ay tumama ng isang beses lang dito sa ating graph, ibig sabihin, yun ay function. Pero kung tumama siya or nag-intersect siya doon sa graph ng 2 or more, hindi na siya function. Katulad nito. Ayun, nag-draw ako ng vertical line. Ayun, dun lang tumama. So, 1 point lang yung intersection, meaning this graph is a function. So, kahit saan ako maglagay dyan sa graph na yan, isang beses lang siya mag-intersect doon sa graph. Number 5, by equation or rule. Ito yung example. As the number of time x increases, the amount of pay also increases. So, pag padami yung oras, pataas ng pataas yung bayad parang sa trabahador. Diba? Okay, so, ito yung tinatawag na rule. And, maa-analyze naman natin na ito yung x kasi, yun yung domain, yun yung oras, walang oras na madodoble. Palaging ang oras ay pataas ng pataas. Kunwari, 1 oras nagtrabaho, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, walang mag-i-stick doon kasi sabi nga, increases pataas ng pataas. So, this is a function. Ngayon, let's analyze. Ito ay kasama sa activity nyo for this week. So, we are going to determine whether the given is a function or not. Okay? So, let's have number 1. Ayan, through mapping siya. Okay? Is it a function or not? The given is a function because 1 ay para kay 3, 2 is para kay 4, 3 is para kay 5, and 4 ay para kay 6. Hindi na doble yung value ng x or ng domain. And this kind of pairing is called one-to-one correspondence. Ibig sabihin, isa para sa isa. Ayan. Isang value ng x para sa isang value ng y. Tagi-isa sila ng partner. Walang na doble. Next. How about this number 2? Is it a function or not? Okay, so the given is not a function. Bakit? Analyze natin. 1 is to 1. 9 is to 3. Again, 9 is to negative 3. And 0 is to 0. So, kung napansin nyo, si 9 nagdalawang beses siya. Yung 3 at negative 3, pareha siya yung partner. Kaya hindi siya function. Naulit kasi si 9. So, etong kind naman ng pairing na to ay tinatawag nating one-to-many correspondence. Yung isang value ng x, yung one value of x, paired to many value of y. One-to-many correspondence. Number 3. Yan. Itong graph na to, or itong given na to, is it a function or not? Okay, it is a function. Kasi, let's analyze. 0 is to 0, 1 is to 1, 2 is to 4, negative 2 is to 4. Hindi naman naulit yung value ng x. Kasi sa function, okay lang maulit-ulit yung value ng y. Huwag lang mauulit-ulit yung value ng x. Ano po? Yan, tag-iisa silang value ng x. Okay, so ang tawag naman dito sa pairing na to is many-to-one correspondence. Yung many, yung 2 and negative 2 kasi parehas ang partner niya ay 4. So, many-to-one correspondence. Next, ito naman, ordered pair naman siya. Is it a function or not? So, the given is not a function. Bakit? Tingnan na lang natin yung mga x values or yung mga domain. Negative 2, negative 2, 0, 1, 3. So, naulit si negative 2 and si negative 2. So, hindi nga siya function. Let's have another example. Ayan. Graph naman yung given. Sabi natin kanina, para malaman if the given graph is a function, mag the vertical line test. Okay, so the given is not a function. Bakit? Ayun, pag nag-drawing ng vertical line, nag-intersect siya doon sa graph twice. So, nag-intersect sa part na to, nag-intersect din sa part na to. Sabi natin dapat, once lang mag-intersect sa graph yung ating, sa vertical line natin yung ating graph. Okay. So, meron din tayong tinatawag sa relation and function na dependent variable. When we say dependent variable, it is a mathematical variable whose value is determined by that of one or more other variables in a function. It depends on the independent variable. By the word itself naman, when we say dependent, edi siya ay nakadepende. No, hindi niya kayang mag-isa. Nakaasa siya doon sa independent variable. When we say independent variable naman, it is a mathematical variable that is independent on the other variables in an expression or function and whose value determines one or more of the values of the other variables. It controls the dependent variable. So, pag sinabi naman nating independent variable, hindi siya nakaasa dun sa isa pang variable. Tapos, instead, siya ay nagko-control pa sa dependent variable sa kanya nakasalalay. Let's have an example. Activities submitted and grade of student. So, meron tayo ditong dalawang variable. Yung activities submitted, yung pinasa, second variable natin as ay grade of student. So, alin dyan yung dependent at alin yung independent. Tingnan natin. Ang grade of student, siya yung tinatawag natin na dependent variable. Bakit? Kasi 'di ba yung grade ng student ay nakadepende sa kung gaano karami or kung nagpasa ba siya ng mga activities. Doon siya nakadepende. Kaya siya yung dependent variable. At yung activity submitted naman, siya naman po ngayon yung tinatawag nating independent variable. Kasi kung gaano karami yung sinubmit, siya yung nagdidikta, siya yung nagko-control sa magiging grade ng student. Po. So, parang ano din, example is, nag-aral ka ng mabuti and score mo na nakuha. So, ang dependent variable natin doon, yung score na nakuha mo, that's the dependent. Kasi nakadepende siya kung nag